This is Montbretia, and it grows from a corm. Hopefully I pronounced that right. And what I do when I press these is I take the floret and I press them in profile, so they're kind of like that when they dry. You can press them open face like that too. And then the other thing that I really like to do is take the top parts that haven't opened up yet and press them like that. They hold their color for a really long time. And then of course you can use smaller pieces. You can always break things down as much as you need, depending upon what size arrangement that you're making. And something else that's growing in this area too, and as you might be able to see, a lot of these things are getting close to the end of the season. See, this is almost done. All of the flower petals have gone away. And same with this bird's foot trefoil. You can see where they're starting to spew their seeds and go away. I press these two, and I press them several ways. One, I'll press them in profile. And then another way is to pinch the back off and press them open face, so that when they're dry, they kind of look like that. And then I also press the blossoms for use in mini arrangements. And these are wild in our area. As you can see, they're just kind of growing wild on the side of the garden. And these spread naturally also. These aren't invasive, whereas these can kind of take over a whole countryside. Here's what's left of my nasturtium. I had different colors, but these press pretty well. Mostly I would press that in a profile. Here's some seeds. They will reseed. They don't like to be transplanted, so I'll just let this, oops, screwed up on that one. But anyway, I'll just let them mature and reseed themselves. They come in different colors. This is Nigella. I love these flowers. There's two different plants in here. You can see the different colors. You can press these, and the leaves are beautiful in arrangements. Very feathery. Here's my carryall.